Hi friends. Music composition is not only my hobby but it's my passion. I really enjoy composing my own songs. I use my MIDI controller and keyboard to create the music for the songs, and then I write my own lyrics to make it into one complete song. So recently my friends were asking, how do you do that? How do you compose a music? So I just thought of making a video to show a demo of how I normally compose a music. There are two parts in music composition. One is creating the accompaniment music, wherein you create the beats and then you add the bass and all the other instruments, and then create the accompaniment music part. And then I write the lyrics for the vocals part. And then I sing it and record it separately. And finally I mix it together with accompaniment music and form it into a single complete song. For this demo, I'll create an accompaniment music to begin with, and then instead of writing a new song, I'll pick an old Hindi song and then mix it together to form a fusion. Let's see how it comes together. So we are done with the accompaniment music part of the song. Now it's time to add the vocals. Now, as I said, instead of adding a new vocals or new lyrics, I am trying to use lyrics from an old song. So let me think what song or what tune will fit this music. Just give me a few seconds to think. Yes, I got a song. You'll be surprised to know the song that I chose is from 1987. It's like more than 2 decades old or 3 decades old song. This is a movie called as Jeete Hai Shaan Se, and the name of the song is Julie Julie.
हमको मेरी नहीं मांगता, हमको लिली नहीं मांगता, हमको सैंड्रा फ्रॉम बैंडा नहीं मांगता, तो कौन मांगता? जूली जूली, जॉनी का दिल तुम पे आए जूली, तेरे लिए चढ़ जाऊं सूली, तू ही तो मेरी जान है, जान है, जान है। जूली जूली, जॉनी का दिल तुम पे आए जूली, तेरे लिए चढ़ जाऊं सूली, तू ही तो मेरी जान है। किसी की हाथ ना आएगी ये लड़की, किसी की हाथ ना आएगी ये लड़की, ना जाने कहाँ से आई है, ना जाने कहाँ खो जाएगी, दीवाना किसे बनाएगी ये लड़की, ना जाने कहाँ से आई है, ना जाने कहाँ खो जाएगी, दीवाना किसे बनाएगी ये लड़की। बड़ी छोटी सी है मुलाकात, बड़े अफसोस की है बात, किसी की हाथ ना आएगी ये लड़की, किसी की हाथ ना